Hey guys, so what I did here today is I just upgraded this Dell Inspiron 1564. Basically, I didn't pay for it. Someone gave me for free because there was a screen issues. So I replaced the screen, which it was this one. And yeah, it was not showing. There was a big issue over there. So then I replaced the display, fine. Then after I upgraded the hard drive disk. So I chose an SSD Samsung, which is already fitted in this laptop. Then after I upgraded the DDR3 RAM, which is actually these are the old ones, is 2 GB for each, so 2 plus 2 it was running with 4 GB, and actually is running with 8 GB, 4 plus 4 of course. And then after I choose the 250 giga of SSD. Now let's see how it works. Already displayed. 1 second. Voila. Not bad at all, huh? Not bad at all, guys. So I can show you the configuration. So blah blah blah. 8 giga as you can see. 2 bar of RAM. Is working in 2 GB actually, but it will increase if you open Internet Explorer. Is giving a big push up. So yeah, 8 GB. The hard disk is 232. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys.